Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loosening and removing one string at a time. This keeps neck relief stable. Once a string is slack, unwind it from the tuning post and cut the excess near the bridge so it doesn't tangle. Make sure to protect the guitar body with a cloth while you work. This prevents scratches when you pull the string free. You should also wipe the fretboard now to remove grime. This is why we remove strings one at a time rather than all at once. You feed the new string into the bridge, seating the ball end properly. If you have a tremolo, lock or route as required. Next, thread the string through the tuning post and pull it taut so about 2-3 inches of slack remain for winding. As you turn the peg, guide winds down the post with neat, stacked coils. This creates good break angle at the nut and stabilizes tuning. Once wound, stretch the string gently and retune repeatedly until it holds pitch. You now bring the string up to pitch using a precise tuner, then firmly but gently stretch the string along its length and retune. Repeat until tuning stabilizes. Once stable, trim excess leaving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch and tuck the end away from your hand so it won't buzz or snag. Finally, check intonation at the 12th fret and confirm the string seats cleanly in the nut and bridge. If notes are sharp or buzzing, make small
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.